we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Torlaist Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. Consists of the following features. All-in-one handheld car vacuum cleaner. This handheld vacuum cordless delivers 4 functions in one: suction, blowing, inflation, and vacuum compression. Complete with 7 practical accessories, the car vacuum easily cleans floors, car interiors, keyboards, tight corners, and even inflates pool toys and air mattresses with ease. Powerful 15,000 PA suction. Experience deep cleaning with a high-speed motor delivering 86,000 RPM and 15,000 PA suction. The hand vacuum cordless rechargeable is perfect for carpets, sofas, and car seats. Built with rapid heat dissipation, the car vacuum cleaner stays cool under pressure and offers long-lasting performance. Fast charging and rechargeable. Equipped with dual 2000 mAh batteries, this portable vacuum for car supports charging via car outlet, power bank, or laptop fully charged in under 4 hours. A eco-friendly and cost-effective replacement for disposable air cans. Advanced dual filtration. Features an upgraded dual filter system, a stainless steel filter for large debris and a washable HEPA filter for fine dust. Enjoy consistent suction and motor protection. The one-click dust release makes emptying quick and hassle-free. Portable and versatile use. Go cordless and clean anywhere: high shelves, keyboards, AC vents, pet areas, and more safely and freely. Lightweight and designed for easy operation, this mini car vacuum makes cleaning your car and home simpler than ever. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.